did the quiet clap. You're checking how you're sitting. You're sitting like Joshua. Joshua's legs are crossed, his mouth is silent, his eyes are on the math talk. Tomorrow you're going to hold on to that. We're going to do this after the math talk. When you have a silent up in the air, that tells me you looked at the math talk and you have an idea of how to solve it. Jimmy has an idea, he's showing me with the silent thumb. Joshua has an idea, he's showing me with the silent thumb. When I say the word pair, you're going to make sure you go to your partner and in the level 1 voice, help me figure out what's missing on this board. Pair. Shared with his partner, he turned his body back, he's ready to share out with the whole group. Joshua talked to his partner, his eyes are back to me, he's ready to share out with the whole group. Even if you're not the one sharing, you have a job. Your job is to listen to the other person, to their strategy, because I'm going to ask you about it. Joshua is sharing his strategy, your eyes are on him, your mouth is silent.
It's 41 and it's 61.
Joshua says 41-61. Montronique is agreeing. She is showing me silently that she agrees. Jasmine's agreeing silently. Now, is the most important thing during a math talk whether or not you agree with the answer or not? What's the most important part, Jasmine?
That's how you get there.
How did I get here? So, Joshua, I want you to pick one person who is going to share how they think you got your answer, and then we're going to see if that person is right. Joshua's picking in 3 seconds. You're taking too long. I'm going to pick for you. No, you chose to take longer than 3 seconds. I'm going to pick Leela. Leela.
Because I can see on the board that there's a lot of numbers on there.
I agree, there's a lot of numbers.
2, 3, 4, with ones.
Say that again.
With ones.
With ones. There are different numbers with ones. I agree. Jadis, you're showing one of these. Do you want to add on?
Yeah. I know it because it's going on numbers
Freeze for a second. Jaden's talking. There's some bumping going on here. Turn your head so your eyes are on Jaden. Even if you can't see him, he's asking for his attention. He will not begin until he feels respected by every first grader in this room. If your eyes are not on Jaden, you're choosing to move your clip.
I knew it's 41-60. Joshua was correct because I agree with him because it's like the 20 it's going back like 20, 30, 40, 41, and 61. So they all had 1 in them. So Joshua said 41 and 61. And I agree.
What I'm hearing from Jaden is that all of these numbers had a 1 in them. Joshua, do you agree with that?
Yeah, because he was right because he was right with me because you got 2 and 3, but 41, and then I figured it out because it's 21, 31, 41, 51, and 61. So
Can I interrupt you for a second? Can someone explain what is happening, what Joshua is saying? I want to pick someone else. What's happening? We said that every one of these numbers has how many 1s, Tanaya? How many 1s? Okay, freeze for a second. When I point, answer my question. How many 1s does 21 have?
2.
I'm going to ask the question again. How many 1s does 21 have?
2. 1.
How many 1s does 31 have?
1.
How many 1? My turn, then your turn. If you choose to shout out when it's not your turn, you're choosing to move your clip. Because we want to make sure we can hear everyone. How many 1s does 41 have? 1. Wait for your turn. How many 1s does 51 have? How many 1s? 1. many ones does 61
Wow!
have? So, everyone, Tanaya, every one of these numbers has how many ones? What'd you say, Jada? How many ones does each of these numbers have? Miguel, you're choosing to sit in your spot or you're choosing to move your clip. Right now you're in a body check just like Jael. He's in his spot. Sanaa's in her spot. Lois is in her spot. Jada, repeat what Tanaya said. How many ones does... Every number up here has 1 1. So someone explain to me what is happening with the tens? What is happening with the tens when we go from 21 to 31 to 41 to 51 to 61? Marvelli, what's happening? What's happening with the tens?
They all have ones in them.
All the tens have ones in them? Do you mean all the ones have ones in them? So let's pick someone to support our idea. I agree with that, Marvelli. What's happening with the tens?
It's going on like, it's like going to 2, going to 3, going to 4, going to 5, going to 6. But all you gotta do is just put a number next to all those numbers.
Does that make
You
sense?
gotta put 1 next to all those numbers.
I think I understand what Jade's saying. Someone explain it to me in other words. Explain what he said, Jasmine.
He said that.
Let them watch your hands. My computer's up there.
How many times have like the 10?
Yeah. Tanaya, eyes are on Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine, what was he saying?
10, please.
Kenneth, we're going to listen to what Jasmine says about Jade. What was he saying?
He said that it's going on like it's like 2, 3, 4, and 5. I had to do is just put a number next to it, but I have a different strategy.
Can I finish this one first to make sure I get this? When I go from 2 to 3, how much did I go up by? What's 2 to 3? How many did I go up by?
1.
When I go 3 to 4, how much did I go up by?
1.
When I go from 4 to 5, how much did I go up by?
1.
So you're saying that 1
You
plus
gotta
1 plus 1 plus 1. Now think. Is 31 1 more than 21? Think. Is 31 1 more than 21? Leela.
Yes. No.
What? It's kind of. How many more is 31 than 21? The 3 is 1 more than. Jada, what are you thinking?
10.
Are you saying, Jade, that when I go from 21 to 31, I'm actually going plus 10?
Yes.
When I go from, leave it, it's fine, leave it. If I go from 31 to 41, what am I doing?
Going back.
Plus 10. Is it the same here, 41 to 51?
Yes.
What did you got last time, 51 to 61?
Yes.
Excellent, because today as we... I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Joshua did a body check, silent eyes are on me. Jay did a body check, silent eyes are on me. Montreve did a body check, silent eyes are on me. It's perfect that you guys found this pattern of adding with tens, because as we work with bigger and bigger numbers, we have to sometimes add by ones, sometimes add by tens. Let's all give each other a 4 plus 5 cheer.
4 plus 5 equals 9.